Professor B.T. Sita is not just a person, she's a power. Her persona and aura is magical. She created a special room in all our hearts, not just as a principal of Women's College, but as a godmother, a well-wisher, and a great motivational force. She joined Osmania University as an assistant professor in Department of English in 1985. Ever since, she's given her best as a teacher. She climbed up the ladder of success and successfully handled many administrative posts. With the intellect she has, she made an indelible imprint wherever she worked. An alumnus of Women's College Koti, she always cherished coming back here as a principal in 2012. With the support of many dedicated teachers, she created a righteous darbar of her own. All those events that were just formalities before her entry into the college later became festivities. Empty chairs or backbiting voices never bothered her. Her motto was always a colorful and fruitful performance. She put in her heart and soul into every small and big event of the college. We were never bothered about working hours. We were on our toes 24/7 to make college events unique and memorable. The 90 years of UCW celebrations titled Navati, Alumni Meets, Restoration of Darbar Hall by WMF, Batukamma celebrations, Ghatatarang, and umpteen number of international and national seminars, workshops under her leadership made Women's College the most happening place. She retired in April 2017 as the principal of the college after her successful tenure from 2012. It's during this period that she has touched and moved the lives of many staff and students. She made everyone feel that she is their own.
शक्ति के है रूप आप, घर घर की है शान आप, ज्ञानोदय के मार्ग दिखाते हर लड़की का ख्वाब आप, ममता के रूप की तस्वीर है आप, ओ सीता मैडम वी लव यू.
A dutiful wife, wonderful mother, an adorable sister, a great cook, a compassionate human being, she lived every moment of her life to the fullest. Post-retirement from a principal, she became a best friend for many of us. She strongly believed that good food is the foundation of genuine happiness. Blessed are we who got to eat the food you made. The love with which you served it made it more tastier. Aam panna in summers, murukulu in rainy season, hot lemonade in winters. We savoured all of them. Ma'am, I always told you to patent that pulihora and curd rice you made. The taste still lingers on my mouth. Out of the many best things that you did for the college, one was the music club. Rupashree's melody and creativity, plus the students' enthusiasm, clubbed with your love, added so much rhythm to all our lives. The college song you initiated has become an anthem for the college. Every line in that can now be dedicated to you.
నవ్వులలా పువ్వులలా సాగే కమ్మని గీతంలా మహిళ కళాశాల కోటికే గొప్పవరం మీరు శక్తికి యుక్తికి ప్రతిరూపం మీరే ఓ సీతా మేడం వి లవ్ యూ Sita madam, we miss you.
Your beautiful and serene abode is a resort for us. Sita Amama's house is the best outing for our kids. The parcels we brought back home from your kitchen were delicacies for our family. Mrudula's wonderful renditions, Madhurima and Charita's light music, Haripriya's dance, Rupashri's melodies, Chichorapan by Gayatri, Apurva, and me were all nurtured by you at your house. అమ్మ అని పిలిచిన, అక్క అని పిలిచిన, అమ్మమ్మ అని పిలిచిన అందరినీ ఆప్యాయంగా హత్తుకున్నారు. పుట్టింటి నుంచి తిరిగి వెళ్ళే ఆడపిల్లల్లాగా మాకు మీ ఇంటికి వచ్చిన ప్రతిసారి చీరలు సారెలు ఇచ్చారు. నవరాత్రులకు శ్రావణ మాసంకి మీరు చేసే అలంకరణ చూడడానికి మేము తప్పించేవాళ్ళం. మీరు చేసే ప్రసాదాలు తినడానికి తహతహలాడేవాళ్ళం. మీలోనే మాకు ఒక అమ్మవారు కనిపించేవారు.
न मन्त्रं नो यन्त्रं तदपि च न जाने स्तुतिमहो न चाह्वानं ध्यानं तदपि च न जाने स्तुतिकथा न जाने मुद्रास्ते तदपि च न जाने विलपनम् परं जाने मातः त्वदनुसरणं क्लेशहरणम् परं जाने मातः त्वदनुसरणं क्लेशहरणम्.
Ma'am, as you always said, we work and you take all the credit. Even now, we will continue to work with all due credits to you. I know that the real tribute to you is our dedicated work for the betterment of the college. The way you left us is shocking. It left us devastated. But I'm sure you will be with us in all our smiles and success. You are a legend in our lives. We will always look up to you as our inspiration and our role model. Sita ma'am, you will live on. Death only ends a life, not a relationship. Our relation with you is eternal. Love you, Sita ma'am. Love you from the bottom of our hearts.